Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over a faux leather ottoman, and we're using Stylin paints from DecoArt. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over an ottoman. Stylin paints are great for leather and pleather and even fabrics. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.